educator at MOTAT for a period of time, and that's when I came across Bruce and his products, particularly Kai's Clan, and I did a lot of playing around with Kai's Clan and then met KaiBot. We purchased both sets and I've been using it from year 0 to 6. The nice thing about Bruce is he's literally down the road, and I had some challenges with it and they were really proactive in coming to help me. Within that process, they started asking for feedback as a teacher and how these work in a classroom environment. They went and we had a long-standing relationship where his developers came to the school and kept testing the products based on the feedback that I'd given them, because what I find as a teacher who's been in technology for a long time is that you buy all these robots and then you get put in the back room and no one uses them. You get all hyped about them. I said to Bruce, look, if you want this to be a product that keeps giving and giving, you need to have add-ons. This is like really cool. What was really awesome for the year 0s and the year 1s was you could teach perspective and direction, which doesn't seem that difficult, but it's actually really challenging for a 5-year-old to put themselves in the position of a robot, move forward, turn right, turn left. These have been phenomenal at teaching kids perspective, simple logic, algorithm, and direction. I made all my own resources based on these resources where I had arrow cards, and I literally went out into the playground and the kids were sort of leapfrogging on the cards, learning the cards. So the direction cards are a really visual thing. So I could take enlarged versions of these and play leapfrog out in the playground. And then they come in and then they would see the cards and know exactly my robot needs to leap forward, turn left. It's such a cool tool. It has so much potential for you to take it to your year 6s. You know, my year 6s are able to run it in the virtual world where they can see it on a screen, and then you take them to the next step, which is Kai's Clan, and it is even more advanced than KaiBot. So yeah, I'm a big fan of Kai's.